Hello, everyone. It's Chris Hawk, co-founder and CEO of Starstake. I thought I would throw together this quick demonstration of the Starstake platform. For those of you that are curious, wondering about what is this Starstake, what is this I've been hearing about, what do you do, what's different, why is this different than anything else that's out there? Hopefully this demonstration will quickly give you an overview of what makes Starstake special, why we do what we do, and who it's for. So to begin real quick, Starstake is an access-based NFT marketplace for creators and brands. Whether you're a YouTube creator, a podcaster, an influencer, an author, an expert or educator, a speaker, a musician, an artist, or a big brand or a small brand. If you own intellectual property, Starstake is for you. Why is Starstake different? Well, Starstake offers the ability for brands and creators to assign specialized functions to your NFTs. And we use our own technology, a new developed technology called Infinity NFTs, which really allows this specialized function to be assigned to these assets, to this artwork, to these NFTs. And essentially an Infinity NFT is an NFT that allows for your consumers, your fans to stake those NFTs, but also to receive things like rewards, royalties, products, services, all these things. It has the ability for you to customize all these functions individually and to transact and basically serve your customers and fans directly. Nothing goes through Starstake. Starstake is not a centralized company at all. It's just the technology and the platform for you to connect and basically build incentivized communities with your fans and consumers. So to begin, Starstake has different areas. Now to understand Starstake, you have to understand how it's organized. Starstake has a marketplace. Starstake has kind of a back admin, which we call Stake Hub. And Stake Hub is where after you purchase an NFT, you can dial in and find out how it's performing, because our NFTs are kind of what I would call maybe smart NFTs. They have the ability to do things. And so when they do things, Stake Hub allows you to see those functions, which I'll show you. It's really cool. You also have what's called Creator Hub, and Creator Hub is where creators go to mint these assets, to assign the functions, to be creative and have them do things and to interact with their fans and really their audience in new ways. Okay. So let's start out at the marketplace. Let's go ahead and head on over there. There's different categories. Right now we have 7 categories: music, creators, arts, experts, sports, tech, and products. We will have one coming in later this year called brands. Just offers a little bit different user interface for specific brands, larger brands and such. So I can come down here and see different Infinity NFTs. These are NFTs. This is for all marketplaces, so all genres, and I can view them. You can also see star profiles, which I'll explain what that is here in just a moment. But I can come down here and browse these how I wish. I can do search, kind of typical marketplace functionality. However, one thing that Starstake does very uniquely is it offers the ability for creators to customize their own NFT pages. A big part of NFTs and especially NFTs that have certain functions is to be able to represent that, your brand, your music, your art, your whatever those things are that they're going to do. You want to be able to show that off to your audience. And so that's one thing that we do here. We allow creators to customize through our page builder these unique pages. So if I click, let's just go down here. Let's just choose one of these. So here's a template that we use. This is my wife. In fact, let me show you another example. It's more in music. So here you go. You can say her song, Let Me Know, a song by Shing Belmonte. She can customize this whole header section. She can add video content in here. Down here, when she mints her NFT, it creates a really unique card that has the data about that, the category, etc. But here you're going to notice it will show her royalties. So if she wants to share fan royalties with her fans, meaning maybe she wants to take 10% of all NFT sales from this NFT in particular and share that with her fans, she can choose to do that, and it happens automatically in the smart contract. She can also say, yes, I want to share with my fans the ability to share my Spotify royalties with them, or my merchandise sales with my fans, etc. So she can choose to turn that on and off, and she can choose the term, how much, all those types of things. Okay, it shows some brief details. She can customize the content here. She also has a built-in referral system. So as her fans come to check out her music, they can click on this link and share this link. When they share her NFT for this song, what happens is if somebody comes here and buys this NFT, that fan would make 7%. She doesn't have to do anything. It happens automatically, which kind of creates this incentivized network. Now, she can also create customized content for this page. So on the left-hand side, you'll see the different areas. She can add pictures and video and text and talk about her NFTs, sell it to her market. But what's really unique is on the right-hand side. If you're familiar with maybe crowdfunding, there's some similarities here. If you've ever seen, like on Kickstarter, you can back, I don't know what they call it, but you can basically back a project. And if you spend so much or you invest so much in that Kickstarter project, they give you products and things. This kind of works similar to that, except when that creator creates that NFT, they can say, okay, when you spend $100 on my NFT, I'm going to give you these things, and these come as access tokens. So they're also NFTs. So think of it like this. You can go to the store and buy a generic iPhone, not the top iPhone, but you can buy an iPhone with the basic features. That's what this is. This NFT that you're minting has, royalties and rewards added to it. Or you can say, hey, when you buy an iPhone Pro, you're going to get a charger, you're going to get headphones, you're going to get a case, you're going to get all these extra things when you spend $1 gazillion on Apple's products. So similar here, they can say, hey, when you spend $500 or more, I'm going to give you access to these perks, which could be backstage passes, t-shirts, merchandise, content, anything you want to assign to these individual NFTs, you can do that. And you can limit them in quantity. You can add rarities to those, all these different things you can set up ahead of time. So when I come down here, I'm like, okay, if I spend $100, I get these NFT access tokens that I can either redeem for products or services or whatever that creator assigns to them. It could be a limited edition t-shirt like you see here. Now, once I buy this NFT, I get this access token. I can redeem to get that thing, that t-shirt, or I can hold on to that NFT and I can say, you know what, I'm going to hold on to this collector piece of art, but also that has a t-shirt embedded in it. What that means is I could sell this NFT to somebody else, a super fan who wants to get that t-shirt later on. Maybe it's one of 10 t-shirts available, whatever it is. So you can either redeem that for products and services like explained, or you can just hold on to that as a collectible and let that accrue in value over time. Okay, so you can choose to do that. So this is essentially what an NFT page will look like. We have different templates that you can customize, the backgrounds, all these different sections. You can link it to your media if it's music, or if you're an author, to your Amazon store, whatever you would like to do. You can favorite, add it to watch list. You can share it with your friends, earn 7% just by sharing the stuff you like. And you can buy. Now, the interesting thing about Starstake is our whole goal is to allow, basically empower creator economies for creators and brands. And what I mean by that is to be able to come to Starstake and use our fully integrated suite of tools to mint your entire economy right here. Your NFTs, their access tokens, your pages, your marketing, your strategies there, and also your own currency. The thing about Starstake is we know that the average consumer is not used to dealing with crypto. Crypto is not the most friendly way to make transactions. So we created a technology which we call NFT bucks. This is our own customized currency that users of the platform can purchase and use to make purchases on the platform. So for example, you could make your own, design your own money, assign its own value, and let your consumers and fans buy that. When they buy that, they can use that, spend it, they can collect it, hold on to it, but it is price stabilized. This technology, we are the first to ever have this. And what this does is when somebody wants to buy this $100 NFT buck, it's got my face on it, so it's kind of funny. So let's use an example. Let's add that to cart. So it's up here, this NFT buck, it's worth $50. It would be $100, but for the demo purposes, there's one in my cart. I go to checkout. Now, what I would do is I would either use crypto or credit card to buy this buck. Let's say I was going to buy this $100 NFT buck. It would spend $100. It would put that $100 into the contract, into the NFT itself to price stabilize it. It's always going to be in there. Now I can hold on to that and it could be worth much more than it is, or I could spend it. And if I were to spend that $100 on something in the marketplace, it would take that crypto out, it would send it to the appropriate parties that need to get paid, and it would function just like a currency. But now, why would we use that? Because then the end user never has to touch crypto. And of course, your fans will want to buy your customized money. If they're your fan, your market, they'll buy your Bieber bucks or your Santa bucks or whoever you are, whatever your brand is. So you can create your own collections right inside of Starstake. If I come down here, I can see different collections. For example, we have a founders collection. So I can say, okay, these are all the different build designs, different rarities. Here's the rare ones. We have ultra rare. Here's the legendary. And we can buy these and you can set the market price. So even though this may say 5,000 NFTB on it, you could charge 10,000 because it's a legendary version. Now, at any point in time, the cool part is I can actually go up here. Once I buy these, I can actually reverse it. So I can say, okay, I didn't spend it. I bought that $100 NFT buck, spent $100 on it, didn't end up spending it, but I can come in here and convert bucks and it'll show up right here if I owned it, and I can convert it right back into $100 coins again. So I can convert it right back into money for myself. So it is completely reversible. So what this does, it allows creators to create their own economy, their own cash. So when I come into the marketplace and I'm like, okay, I want to buy this NFT. Let's say I want to buy this one. I go ahead and stake now. I can enter in the amount. So let's just do $100. Okay. Now in here, I'm going to have the cart. Now the shopping cart's different than what you might be used to. It shows, okay, down here, I'm buying $1 worth of, let's just pretend, an NFT. Now I can't go anywhere. I have to add my bucks to continue. Now think of it like your wallet. You having cash in your wallet. And you can browse through your wallet and say, okay, I want to spend this one. No, I don't want to. No, that's a collectible. I want to spend Jobsy over here. So I can click on this and it'll add it to my cart. Let's say it added 2 of them. Now this turns green and says, okay, you're going to buy this NFT for $2, right? I never have to touch crypto. What happens when I hit proceed to checkout, it takes the crypto out of this NFT itself, sends it to the star, sends it to whoever needs, whoever's in the contract, and you get that NFT that you just wanted to purchase. So it's very, very simple to do. And it allows consumers to not only collect NFTs, but also collect these NFT bucks by their favorite brands. So once I purchase that, I can go into Stake Hub. Now, what's unique about Starstake is once you buy an NFT, say it's for a song or for anything, you can actually track its performance because these are assigned. Maybe that NFT is going to pay IP royalties, fan royalties, referral royalties. You can actually say, okay, today this NFT, allowed me to earn $100. And so you can actually track its performance in real time in here, all of your NFT portfolio, and it's transferable. So let's say Justin Bieber came out with his next Infinity NFT on Starstake, and you bought that NFT, and let's say he was going to share 5% of his song royalties with his fans. He could do that. And then in doing so, if you're one of the first people that bought it, maybe that thing earned $10,000. You could then transfer that to someone else. You could sell that for $50,000, $20,000, whatever, with those royalties intact. So anybody that has that NFT in their wallet and it just connects straight to your wallet through MetaMask or other basically approved wallets, you can see all your different assets, your crypto, your bucks, your NFTs. It'll show you how much you have spent and how many you have. And you can transfer those off, meaning you can resell those with the royalties intact built into the smart contract and your access tokens. So let's just say, for example, I come here and these are all my different NFTs that I own. I can check out the individual details of how much it's earned, how much I've actually cashed out, and the Stardex value, which is our built-in index, because we started Starstake with our own DeFi financial system. It's something we call Constellation. And what this allows us to do, because we have our own tokens, our own coins, as Starstake grows, that economy grows as well. The value of that economy grows. And when you earn anything through these NFTs, it goes into the contract. and that is valued through our Starstake. So let's just say you earned a royalty today, and all of a sudden Beyonce tomorrow drops her NFTs and did millions of dollars in sales. Well, those sales will directly affect the growth and the value of the constellation, which is our DeFi network. And again, your royalties might be worth tomorrow more than they are today. So we have that built-in index. It's pretty cool. You can add that back to the contract, your royalties, or you can cash them out right here, and they get converted right into NFT bucks, which you can, again, cash out for US dollar coin. Very, very simple. Now, maybe you got some access tokens. So when you bought that NFT, maybe it included a limited edition t-shirt, backstage passes, products, services. This is where you can go to view them, to claim them. We have our own claim system, which is really great. So you can see which ones you're claiming, meaning you're going to get the thing that you own the NFT for, which is really great. You can view your bucks, all of your portfolio, kind of your gallery right through there. We have our built-in training center that you can see right here. So if you want to learn how to use Starstake, you can see all of that. And once you go in here, if you're a creator, you can go to Creator Hub, and Creator Hub is a by invite only portion of Starstake that allows you to mint infinity NFTs, NFT bucks, the access tokens, and do everything you want to build your entire economy on Starstake. So all your NFTs, their functions, the access tokens to be able to deliver products to people, to your fans, and then also to be able to mint your own NFT bucks. So when they come to the platform, they'll be able to buy your own money, use your own money to buy your stuff, buy your NFTs, or they can hold on to that like a collectible. Really, really awesome stuff. So all this technology is built in. You can show what you've shared with your fans. That shows your earnings, your Stardex values. You also get a star profile page, and what that is kind of a home page that you can show off to your friends and your fans that have all your NFTs on there. It's a customizable page. I don't have it up here because I don't believe it's on the dev server to show, but you can show all your NFT bucks. Everything is showcaseable right in there, especially if you're a brand and you want to have one place to show off everything. You can send people directly to there to buy your stuff. Really cool. Here you can mint your access tokens. You can see here you can mint, and you can actually see all the different NFTs that you're producing. But in Creator Hub, we also have a general stats area where you can see all the stats of all your earnings for your NFTs and your NFT bucks, your rankings, where you rank with other stars. So if you want to see where you're at, we will be doing some really creative things with that. And then all your different claims. So if you have people that are asking about, how do I get my products? You'll be able to come in here and say, okay, Chris Hawk wants his John Wick 4 movie premiere tickets, deliver, or maybe in this case, it was a t-shirt. You get their name, their address, all this. You can put in that you received it, or you can put in that you fulfilled it. So that person knows that the t-shirt's on its way. So there's a whole redemption system built right into Starstake. It connects automatically with your wallet, MetaMask, or a few others. We have shopping carts built in. Again, you can see all your resources right inside of your Starstake hub here. So this is, in a nutshell, this is Starstake. I'm really excited for you guys to get your hands on it. We've got quite a list of creators now, quite a waiting list, in fact. But we are launching something coming soon. We are slated to launch in May. Not sure exactly when, but it's pretty exciting. We are getting awfully close now. And we will be having an onboarding basically a program called the Astra program. The Astra program is where if you're a creator, even if you're a user, you can register for Astra for free. You'll be able to go in and it'll help you onboard. We created what we call mint maps, and these mint maps allow you to kind of build your strategy of what should I build for an NFT? What should those functions be? What options do I have? Should I pay out things to my fans or share things like royalties and rewards with them? What products and services should I attach to this, and how does that work? And so we built these really easy to follow tutorials and what we call mint maps, which are downloadable PDFs that you can use to actually build your NFTs on paper beforehand, and we can help you go through that and look at that. So it's a really cool program. The Astra program is going to help you a lot. And one of our NFTs coming out is called NFT All Stars, and that's also going to give you some advanced functionality and priorities. So if you want to be at the front of the list, NFT All Stars is going to let you do that if you're a creator and you want to start creating your assets for Starstake when we launch. So super excited. Just wanted to give you a very quick demo in under 20 minutes. There's lots more to see, but generally it is an NFT marketplace that allows you to assign specialized functions to your NFTs. with complete customization options such as page builders, access tokens, your own currency, your own NFT bucks, to the reporting. All of that is built in just natively, and it's free to use. So Starstake does not cost you anything to mint. We are on Polygon, so the gas fees are pretty much non-existent. And for consumers, you do not have to pay gas fees at all when purchasing, which is a beautiful thing for your fans and for consumers to get their hands on this stuff. And we do have some really cool physical products coming with NFT bucks built with NFC technology, so you can tap that piece of paper right on your phone. It'll deposit NFT bucks right into your wallet. You don't ever have to be inside of Starstake to do it. So lots of cool stuff coming. I hope this helps draw the picture. If you'd like to inquire, please contact me. Get a hold of myself, Chris Hawk, or somebody that referred you to this video, and we can get you dialed in of what's coming and get you producing the things you need before we launch. All right. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye. Starstake Explorers, we have you on screen. Performing NFT systems check. Stage 1 access is set. Launch systems intact. Starstake, we are a go.